thumbs up. What's up guys, it's me Shreyan, the tutor on the YouTube channel you're watching below, and in today's video we are going to be making tea. So let's get on to it. So if you're making for 4 people, make sure to add 3 cups of water. And then I'll add another cup. Also another cup. And then I'll just add one more. So 3 cups of water for 4 people. So now that that's done, we'll let it go on medium flame for 20 to 30 seconds. In the meantime, we'll add our milk. And make sure to leave the top layer, like the creamy layer, so that it can give it a better taste. So you just want to put 1 cup of this stuff, milk. You have to have milk. So 1 cup of milk goes right in. Okay, so now that this is done, we'll put it on high flame for 20 seconds to 30 seconds. Until then, get your tea powder out. So you have to add 4 spoons of tea powder and then 2 to 3 spoons of sugar based on your liking. So now, I'm just going to refill my teacup. Okay. So I'm just going to refill it first. So I'm just going to refill it first. So this is how you refill tea, guys. You take the spoon out. So now this is done. We're gonna add 4 spoons of this. Come on.
Not too full, little bit of, not complete, like
like 4.
Don't put that full, yeah.
Okay, we can put like 2 full spoons and like 2 half. So then we put 1, 2,
Yeah.
3, and then 4.
Little, yeah,
Just
little
add a
bit.
bit more. So now that, so once this is done, we'll let it brew for a little bit. So now we're just gonna mix it. Make them see the tea. So now we just have to mix it. So, and then we'll leave it like this for a minute. So keep on stirring. Stirring is the most important part. And now that that's done, we're going to add some sugar. So now you can put sugar based on your liking. Since I'm serving up to 4 people, I will only put some. 4 spoons of sugar. 1 for each person, let's say. 3. Just a hint. So now that you put this cup of sugar, you want to get back to your mixing process. So just keep on mixing. Mixing is the key fundamental step so that it will get dissolved and mixed into each other. So now that this, keep on stirring. Stir for a little bit. And if you have like an exhauster on your furnace thing, turn it on. So then you'll get this stuff. I'll just turn mine off.
Low flame.
And then also you want to put it on low flame. I forgot to do that. So now, we'll just put it on low flame. So now we just want to mix. And we'll let it brew for 30 seconds.
10 minutes, fine.
For 2 to 3 minutes, let it brew. And then also guys, I just want to say, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell notification so you can be the first to receive whenever I upload. And thank you guys so much for the recent support. You guys are killing it with the support. Thank you guys so much for that. And thank you. I could say, I don't know how to tell you guys. I'm really close to 50 subscribers. That's my goal. 50 subscribers by the end of 2021. I haven't mentioned it for a long time. So keep up the support, guys, and That would be really nice. So now what we're gonna do, back to the tea. So now that your tea is like this, just put it on high flame for a bit and then keep on mixing. So you want it to be nice and thick. So now we're just gonna let it be like this for a minute. We'll keep it on low flame. Just keep it on low flame. Or medium. Yeah, put it on. We'll just keep it on low flame for a small bit. And then I'm gonna mix it again. And now, for the final step, I'm gonna put it on extremely high. So now, it will just go by itself. I'll just show you guys what it does. So that's good. So it will start creating like a cloud. So you want that to happen. So like a thick top layer, something like this. You guys can see. Sounds like this. And it will be like this. So you're just gonna wanna wait like a couple of seconds. So yeah. So it will become like this, and then I'm just gonna lower the flame to full like low, and then I'll keep it here for like 20 seconds, 30, 40 seconds. I'm just gonna leave it like this for a second. So it should become something like this. Now, I'm gonna do this important step. Put it on high. So now you see the particles, or yeah, let's just say the tea powder, it's starting to move up. So we just have to wait a second. So, see, it will start to become more like the tea powder stuff. It will keep on moving. So we just have to wait for that. See, like more spots, holes. You want to see like holes and stuff. See, and you should also hear like that, something like that. The door's open or something. Okay, so now it will begin to brew like this. Extremely, it will brew a lot. So you want it to be like this. And now it's gonna become like this. And what you wanna do, turn it to medium flame. Wait a millisecond or two, and then do it again. So this way it will get brewed like twice or thrice, so it will become nice and tasty. So now that's like this. I'm going to lower the flame again. And this is for the final time, so I'll just put it really high and then it will be over. And yeah. So it should come to brew like this. Like this. Really hot. Be careful, you guys should do this with an adult. Yeah, with under adults, if you're under 12, 15. So I will brew. And then I'm gonna turn it off. So, and then you turn it off, and it'll become like this. And then you just wanna pour it in, and then you just wanna pour it into the cups. And that's all. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button, click the like button, and it trend I'm out. And stay home, stay safe, and I'm out.